We'll guide you through how to fix VS Code not opening. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Task Manager on your computer by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager from the menu. This is where you can see all the applications and processes currently running on your system. Look for any instances of Visual Studio Code that might still be running in the background. If you find any, click on them and then hit the End Task button in the bottom right corner to close them completely. This can often resolve the issue if VS Code was not fully closed previously. Next, you need to make sure your VS Code is up to date. Go to the official Visual Studio Code website using your web browser and download the latest version available. Sometimes, the opening issues are due to bugs that have been fixed in a recent update, so it's always a good idea to keep your software current. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. If VS Code still doesn't open, you might want to try opening it from the command line. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and press Enter to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type code.mlo, including the space and period, and press Enter. This command attempts to open VS Code directly and can sometimes bypass issues related to shortcuts or app associations. If you're still having trouble, a restart of your computer can often help clear out any lingering issues that might be affecting application launches. Finally, ensure that your system meets the required specifications for running VS Code, as outdated hardware or software might cause it to fail to open. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.